Hello and welcome to a new video from Digidesignresort. My name is Monia, and in this video I want to show you how to draw this pumpkin bear into your bullet journal or whatever, what you need. Here is my bullet journal, the coral pattern one. Whatever you choose is fine, of course. Then some pencils, colored pencils, a rubber, the micro and fine liner, and that's all. So now we can get started. I start with drawing the head. Actually, I should have just drawn a circle, but I already tried to get the shapes in there. So if you can't do that, just start with a circle and then some ovals or circles ovals for the ears, and then you put the nose and some details already, so you know where your bear is going. I like to do that this way because I want it to be in the middle and I want to know how big it has to become. And I do the same with the arms. I should have done it with two ovals, one for the arm, for the top of the arm, and one for the paw, but I just started now with drawing it already. So, and then I put the pumpkin between the two arms and start drawing the legs. And I should here have done the same. Just go with ovals so you have it much easier if you can't draw it like that. And then you put in the pumpkins. I have another video up and running where you can see how to draw pumpkins if you can't do it like that. So maybe you watch that video first, but if not, just go ahead and draw your pumpkins from there. It's not that hard. It's again just the ovals. You need half ovals, and from there you go on drawing your pumpkins. Then you start adding the details. I start with some hair for the bear, and then I add some leaves here and everywhere. You see me drawing the leaves. It's not that hard, if you go on like that and you just draw it, it's, you can just draw it over the pumpkin. We get rid of the additional lines in just a little bit when we draw over it with the micro and fine liner, and then we get rid of the rest of the lines we don't need anymore. So once I'm done here, you see me drawing another nose, so I like it more. I start using the micro and fine liner and filling the lines. Not sure why, but I usually start hello with normal capital letters, and then October with a calligraphy font, and start to make all lines which go down a little bit bolder, so it looks it looks nice. I like calligraphy actually. So it's totally up to you how you draw that, but that is how I go on here. once you're done with all that, start rubbing all the lines off your page, and then we can start coloring the bear. So I started using with a light brown. I wish I had a lighter one actually, but okay, this is what I have to go with. And I start drawing light, and then I use it a little bit stronger on the edges, so to make it a little bit more like dimensional. So that's how I go. You don't have to, you can just color it really plain. It doesn't matter, it's totally up to you. So at this point you just keep filling the bear with the colors you want, so it's totally up to you, of course. This is my finished one. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you can draw now your own pumpkin bear. At least give it a try, it's fun. And if you do so, and if it's fun, please give us a comment and maybe a thumb up, and also subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the little bell so you are notified whenever I post a new video. And then I hope to see you in the next one. Until then, bye!